In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give feedback in Zoom. Whether you want to report a glitch, suggest a new feature, or let the team know what's working well, Zoom has a built-in way to share your thoughts directly with them. We'll do this in the Zoom desktop app, and the process is quick, clear, and only takes a moment. To start, look to the upper right corner of the Zoom app window. You'll see your profile image or your initials inside a circle. Click that. If you don't see it right away, try maximizing the app window or closing any pop-ups that might be covering the top bar. This opens a small menu with a handful of useful options tied to your account. From this menu, choose Help. It's easy to confuse Help with Settings, but for sending product feedback, Help is the one you want. Selecting Help opens a panel or window with support resources. This is the hub for things like troubleshooting, checking release notes, and most importantly for today, sharing feedback. Inside the Help area, find and click Give Feedback. This takes you straight to Zoom's feedback form. Think of it as a direct line to the product team. This is different from meeting reactions or chat messages. Those stay within your meeting. Give Feedback is for telling Zoom what's going well and what could be better across the app itself. Now, enter your rating and comments. Start by choosing a rating that reflects your experience. Then, in the comment box, be as specific and constructive as you can. If you're reporting a problem, describe what you were trying to do, what you expected, and what actually happened. If you can recall it, include when you noticed the issue and any steps that reliably reproduce it. If you're sharing something positive, explain what you liked and why it helped. Details make your feedback far more actionable. Keep your message clear, avoid personal or sensitive information, and focus on the feature or behavior you want to highlight. A concise paragraph or two is perfect. When you're satisfied with your rating and comments, click Submit. You may see a brief confirmation letting you know your feedback was received. That's it. Your input goes to the Zoom team to help improve the product. If you don't get a confirmation, check that you're online and try again. Quick recap before we wrap. Open your profile menu in the upper right, select Help, choose Give Feedback, enter a thoughtful rating and comment, and hit Submit. Sharing feedback regularly helps Zoom prioritize fixes and features that matter to you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this makes giving feedback fast and frictionless.